What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Coinbase Global with the ticker symbol COIN. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So last time I looked at Coinbase Global was back on November 10th. And if you guys want to see more Coinbase technical analysis and price predictions, let me know in the comments down below. I can do it just like I'm doing MicroStrategy almost daily now. Very popular stock and very volatile, right? So a lot of things can change in just one day. So let me know if you guys want to see more Coinbase throughout the week. So let's take a look at what happened since November 10th, which was right over here. Price did break out of its high point right here, this 52-week high at the at the high 270s. And price rallied all the way up to the 330s. So very bullish. A lot of times, breakouts will fail. In this case, it's pulling back, which is a good sign. At least momentarily, you'll see breakouts fail. A lot of times, you're not going to see a breakout just continue to move up higher and higher. That's very rare to see. The most situations you'll see is price breaks out. It comes and tests a level for support, and then it continues to rally. So the pullback could be a simple pullback, meaning just one drop, or it could be a complex pullback, meaning we see a drop, a counter trend rally to that drop, and then another drop, right? And then a rally. So sometimes you'll see a complex pullback take place. Or even another situation, you'll see price break out, consolidates, and then probably rally. So again, there's so many different situations that can play out. But overall, you can simplify it to just a breakout pullback, right? That's all it is. So we'll see what happens. But as right now, that's what it looks like it's doing. It's staying above that prior high, which is a good sign. You don't want to see it drop back below that. That would be a red flag. But since it's staying above it, it's maintaining this bullish bias. That looks very good, right? Overall, the trend is up. This is a log chart. So when you draw a log chart, you put a nice channel on the swing lows. That fits really nicely, right? So you have the swing low right here, and then the next pivot, and then it coincides with that third test right there. Fits pretty good. You can drag the top up a little bit as well, so that fits pretty good. And this midline is acting as also some sort of minor support and resistance. Again, that's not major, but either way, it looks like it's doing something. So overall, the channel fits pretty good. It's an uptrend. Price is making higher highs, higher lows. Nice wave pattern. Nice healthy angle as well. So this is a good angle of attack by the bulls. And my next target would be the top side of the yellow channel. That's what this red circle is for. So I'm looking for the prior all-time high at the 430s and then probably up to the 500s. So that's where it looks like Coinbase is headed, right? That's market geometry. That is market structure. When price hits one side of a channel, it work its way to the opposite side. When it hits one side of the channel, it work its way to the opposite side. So it keeps on going. Eventually, the pattern will break. Eventually, the pattern will change. Market doesn't stay the same forever. So eventually, you'll go into a different pattern, maybe a steeper uptrend, maybe a shallower uptrend, maybe even a bear market. Who knows, right? But overall, the market structure is bullish, and short-term price action is bullish as well. So again, you can also have two different perspectives, right? So you can have a short-term and a long-term perspective, or you can even throw a medium-term perspective in between those two. So again, in this case, all perspectives are practically bullish because the long-term perspective is a nice strong uptrend, and short-term we have a nice impulse that broke through the prior high point that's maintaining its dominance above that 270 level. So again, short-term and long-term momentum looks very good. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Just a more summarized viewpoint, easier to see the larger market structure. So you can see that this is the entire price action dating back to April of 2021. You can see that we're very close to the prior all-time high. Most likely we're going to knock that out and set a new one in this bull cycle. As long as Bitcoin continues to pump up higher, which most likely it will, I believe Coinbase will also continue to move up higher. That's what the technicals show, right? If it would be a different story if we were still back over here in this Bitcoin bull market, then I would be like, okay, well, there's clearly a divergent situation going on between Coinbase and Bitcoin. But in this case, they're converging together. The price action and the market structure looks very similar. And overall, these crypto-related stocks, MicroStrategy, Coinbase, are looking very bullish, right? So I'm looking for the high 400s, low 500s in the next, probably sometime by the end of the year. That's what it looks like it's attempting to do. So overall, very bullish. Do I have a longer term measure move target? Yes, I do. Let's take a look at the monthly chart real quick. Okay, so now we can go back to the weekly. Okay, I see that this is all one large impulse right here. And then we saw the correction take place. Let's go and clone this. Where is the next target? The top could be the $1,300 level sometime by maybe Q3 of Q4 of next year. So again, very bullish for Coinbase in the future. That's all I have for Coinbase. That's what the price action and market structure is telling me, right? Things can change, but again, that's what I have to go off of. I have to go off of history. That's the only thing I can use, right, to judge this chart history. I don't know what's going to happen on the right edge, right side of the chart, right? I only can go off of what I see over here. And then I'm using experience, generally what happens to predict what can occur in the future based on probabilities. So most likely we're going to continue to see price rally higher, and then we'll go from there. So let me know if you guys want to see more Coinbase. This is all I have for today. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.